Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will brief you that how you can use the formula of count A. So last time we studied the formula of just count, and I told you that in count formula, the count formula, doesn't count the symbols and the text, but the count A formula will count the all the symbols and as well the text. So the formula will be started with is equal to sign count A and parentheses open, and I will select my range, parentheses close, and I will just press enter, and it will calculate it 7 because it calculate the digit, it calculate the symbols, and it calculate the stock, not stock, it's a text, it's also calculate. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so the total count is 7. So this is the formula for count A, and this is all for this tutorial. And one more thing, that is you have to subscribe my channel, and I'm also waiting for your feedback. So thank you so much for today, for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.